Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will talk about failures. Experiencing failures is a natural part of life. Circumstances may be out of your control, but it's important to learn from failures and bounce back stronger. Let's find out how to overcome them. 1. Embrace failure as part of the journey. Understand that failure is not a final destination but a stepping stone on the path to success. Many great achievements and breakthroughs have been preceded by multiple failures. Embrace failure as a natural and necessary part of the process, and don't let it discourage you from pursuing your goals. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, but part of it. 2. Reframe failure as a learning opportunity. Instead of viewing failure as a negative outcome, reframe it as a chance to learn and grow. Reflect on what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and use the experience to gain valuable insights and knowledge. 3. Analyze your failures. Take the time to analyze your failures objectively. Identify the factors that contributed to the setback and evaluate what you would do if you could have done it differently. Extract valuable lessons from the experience and use them to improve your future strategies and decision-making. Learning from failure is key to personal and professional growth. 4. Adjust your mindset and beliefs. Examine your beliefs and attitudes towards failure. Sometimes, our fear of failure can hold us back from taking risks and pursuing our dreams. Challenge any negative beliefs you may have and replace them with positive and empowering ones. Embrace the belief that failure is an opportunity for growth and that setbacks do not define your worth or potential. 5. Cultivate a growth mindset. Adopt a mindset that embraces challenges and sees failure as a stepping stone towards success. Understand that skills and abilities can be developed through dedication, effort, and learning from mistakes. Watching this video tells me that you're ready to move forward. Embrace challenges, persevere, and stay determined to overcome setbacks. 6. Practice resilience and self-compassion. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Cultivate resilience by developing coping mechanisms such as practicing self-care, maintaining a positive mindset, and staying determined. Additionally, be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with understanding, forgiveness, and acceptance when facing failure. Remember that everyone encounters setbacks, and it's part of the learning and growth process. 7. Set realistic and achievable goals. Sometimes you may think that you've failed, but everyone around you don't think so. For perfectionists like you, it's important to set clear, realistic goals that are within your reach. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable, bite-sized steps. This approach allows you to measure progress and celebrate small victories along the way. By setting achievable goals, you'll increase your chances of success and reduce the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. 8. Seek support from others. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, mentors, and colleagues who can offer encouragement, advice, and guidance during difficult times. Discussing your failures with others can provide different perspectives, valuable insights, and emotional support, helping you regain confidence and motivation. 9. Take action and persevere. After a perceived failure, it's crucial to take action and keep moving forward. Avoid getting stuck in a cycle of self-pity or dwelling on past mistakes. Use the lessons learned to make adjustments and try again. Persistence and perseverance in the face of failure will increase your chances of success in the long run. Remember, failing to attempt is the biggest failure in life. 10. Celebrate small wins and milestones. While it's important to have big goals, it's equally important to acknowledge and celebrate small wins along the way. Recognize and appreciate your progress, no matter how small. Celebrating small milestones will boost your confidence, motivation, and resilience, providing the fuel to overcome failures and continue pursuing your aspirations. Remember, failure is not the end but an opportunity for growth and improvement. Use your setbacks as stepping stones toward future success. Which tip did you like best? Let me know in the comments. I wish you all the best.